I prefer to work on a table surface, but I don't have anything big enough for this frame. So I'm just going to clear off a section of the floor, lay out the frame pieces the way they're going to go together. And I'll do a test fit up with this band clamp. Looks like that'll do the job. I've made these spacers that I can put underneath the corners so that the clamping part is about halfway up. I'm not putting a lot of glue on here because this isn't the real strength of the frame. This glue is just to hold it together until we get the splines in place. I don't want glue squeezing out onto the frame itself if I can avoid it. This is a weak glue joint. It's not possible to make a strong glue joint in the end grain of wood, which is why we need the splines. It'll come later. So here's the benefit of having done that dry fit up with the clamp. Everything's in place and I can work a lot faster. Now I'm just going to clamp up a little bit and then I'll be aligning each corner. And I do that by eye and by feel. I do it by feel for this kind of height, and I do it by eye to get it lined up this way. That one's good already. I'll tighten up the rest of the way. Another quick inspection of the corners before it's too late. And then we check the diagonals to make sure it's square. Should be the same dimension each way. And it is. If it wasn't, then I would give the frame a bit of a nudge to bring it in line. So we'll let that dry, and then we can move on to the splines.